Welcome to another episode brought to you by Consultants for Foreign Education. Today, we'll explore the Medical University of Warsaw, one of Poland's most prestigious and historic institutions for medical education. With over 200 years of history, this university offers world-class programs in medicine and dentistry, making it an excellent choice for aspiring healthcare professionals. Located in Poland's capital city, Warsaw, the university combines tradition and innovation, ensuring that students graduate with both theoretical knowledge and practical skills to succeed on a global stage. Let's dive in to see what makes the Medical University of Warsaw a standout option. The Medical University of Warsaw, or MUW, was established in 1809 and has become a hub for medical education and research in Europe. It's the largest medical school in Poland, with over 10,000 students, including a growing number of international students enrolled in its English programs. The university is affiliated with 6 teaching hospitals, providing students with extensive hands-on training opportunities. Warsaw itself, as Poland's bustling capital, offers a dynamic backdrop for students, combining history, culture, and modern amenities. Notable features: over 2 centuries of academic excellence, advanced facilities like the Medical Simulation Center, strong emphasis on global medical standards, preparing students for careers worldwide. MUW's reputation as a top-tier medical school is further solidified by its partnerships with research institutions and hospitals across Europe and beyond. The Medical University of Warsaw offers a flagship 6-year MD program in English, designed for international students. Let's break it down. Years 1 to 3. The first 3 years focus on preclinical studies, including subjects like anatomy, biochemistry, physiology, and pathology. Students also receive training in medical ethics, communication, and professional behavior, preparing them for patient interactions. Early exposure to practical skills is introduced through simulated medical procedures. Years 4 to 6. These years are heavily focused on clinical rotations, where students work in various specialties such as surgery, pediatrics, internal medicine, and obstetrics. Training takes place in the university's 6 teaching hospitals and at its state-of-the-art Medical Simulation Center. Licensing preparation. The curriculum is designed to prepare students for international licensing exams like the USMLE, PLAB, and Canada's MCCQE, ensuring they are ready to practice globally. Living in Warsaw is an enriching experience. As Poland's capital, the city offers an exciting mix of history, culture, and modernity. From historic landmarks like the Royal Castle and Lazinki Park to trendy cafes and shopping districts, Warsaw has something for everyone. Accommodation options. The university provides student dormitories that are affordable and conveniently located near campus. Private apartments are another popular option, with many located in vibrant neighborhoods close to public transport. Extracurricular activities. MUW offers various student organizations, sports clubs, and academic societies. The city's international atmosphere makes it easy to meet people from around the world, creating a diverse and welcoming community. Graduating from MUW opens doors to countless career opportunities. The MD program is recognized globally, allowing graduates to practice medicine in the EU, USA, Canada, and other countries. The university's strong emphasis on clinical training ensures that students graduate with the skills needed to excel in any healthcare setting. Many alumni go on to prestigious residency programs or specialize further in fields like cardiology, neurology, or surgery. Admissions require strong academic credentials, particularly in sciences like biology, chemistry, and physics. Proficiency in English is also mandatory, with IELTS or TOEFL scores often required. Tuition fees start at €15,100 per year, reflecting the quality and global recognition of the program. Our consultants are here to guide you through every step of the application process. That's all about the Medical University of Warsaw. With its rich history, modern facilities, and global recognition, it's a fantastic choice for aspiring doctors. If you're ready to begin your journey, let Consultants for Foreign Education help you every step of the way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more episodes on top universities. See you next time.